Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with the essentials. Confirm Aadhaar and Punjab residence documents are correct and scanned. Once done, make sure your mobile number is linked to Aadhaar because OTP verification is mandatory. Go to an empaneled hospital or the nearest common service center to start the application. This is the official channel. You must carry original documents for on-spot verification. The CSC or hospital staff will upload scans, so watch the upload step to avoid rejection. You now complete the application form, enter names exactly as on Aadhaar, and add eligible family members. Next, upload clear images, Aadhaar, residence proof, bank passbook, and a recent photo. Poor images cause delays. Once uploads finish, verify via OTP on your linked mobile and give digital consent. This signs the form. You receive an application reference number, note it. Make sure the hospital/CSC provides a printed receipt and a timeline for approval, because tracking depends on that reference. You track approval with the reference number. The system sends an SMS when the card is issued, so watch your phone. Once approved, visit the issuing center or hospital to collect the physical health card or download the virtual copy. Bring original ID for collection. Use the card only at empaneled hospitals for cashless treatment, present ID and reference to admit. If status stalls beyond specified timeline, call the helpline and raise a grievance with your reference number. That resolves most delays quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.